Ever pondered on the question, how can artificial intelligence images create a stream of income? Today, you'll discover the answer, as we delve into 5 ways to monetize AI images. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the way we create content. AI images crafted from textual descriptions by powerful tools like ChatGPT or Imagen turn written words into visual masterpieces. Imagine typing a dragon fruit wearing a karate belt in the snow and watching as this whimsical scene comes to life right before your eyes. Firstly, consider selling AI images as NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These unique digital assets, verifiable on the blockchain, have gained massive popularity in the art world. They provide a platform for artists to sell their digital creations directly, without intermediaries or fear of duplication. AI images can be transformed into NFTs and sold on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. You can even generate unique variations of your images, or combine them with music or animation to create a truly unique digital asset. Secondly, you can create and sell merchandise featuring your AI images. Utilize print-on-demand services like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle to create products such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, posters, or phone cases adorned with your AI images. AI can also be used to generate catchy slogans or logos to complement your designs. Thirdly, offering custom services is another avenue to explore. If you've mastered generating AI images, offer your skills to clients who require personalized portraits, caricatures, cartoons, or illustrations. AI can also generate images for specific niches or themes like fantasy, sci-fi, horror, or romance. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer are perfect for marketing your services. Fourthly, starting a blog or vlog using AI images can be a fun and profitable venture. Use AI to generate images that match your content, or use them as inspiration for your topics. Discuss the latest trends in AI art, the best tools and techniques for creating AI images, or even the ethical and social implications of using AI for creativity. Monetize your blog or vlog with advertisements, sponsorships, or donations. Lastly, consider licensing your AI images for commercial use. Platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, or Adobe Stock provide opportunities to sell your images as stock photos or vectors. Alternatively, you could sell your images as graphic assets or templates on Envato Elements, Creative Market, or Design Cuts. Creating your own website or portfolio to showcase and sell your images is also an effective strategy. In summary, the world of AI images opens several avenues to generate income. From selling as NFTs, creating merchandise, offering custom services, starting a blog or vlog, to licensing your images for commercial use, the possibilities are vast and exciting, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Until the next video, keep creating and keep exploring.